Hi friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can make absolutely all your Facebook posts private. Be sure to put likes, also don't forget to write comments after watching the video. Let's get started. To begin, you and I are going to open up the Facebook application. And on the main page, when we open it, we need to go to our page. To do that, at the top, we're going to click on our image in the circle, and we're going to go to our page. And this is where we'll need to click on the three dots. I have them underneath my picture of me at the bottom. You may have a little bit different settings on Facebook. And these three dots will be right up here at the top of your photos. So, click on them. Next, when you go to the settings, you'll find the activity log here. Click, and you'll see your Facebook activity. You click, and then you'll find the posts section here. You also click on that. And the very first thing is your posts, photos, and videos. You select that option. And now you'll be able to see absolutely all of your posts, all of the posts that you've made on Facebook. I don't have a lot of them yet, but you might have a very large number of them. And in order to make Facebook publications private, you can either select specifically any one publication, or you can select all of them if you have a lot of them. And you realize that it's going to take a very long time to select all the publications, then you can just click on all. And as you can see, all publications are automatically selected. And then at the bottom you click on the three dots. And then change audience. Confirm your action. And now, as you can see, we're shown how you can change the audience, which one you can choose. So, the first audience is public, that is, your publications are seen by absolutely all users on Facebook, both your friends and absolutely strangers. You can also choose friends only, let's say, so that only your Facebook friends see your posts. Or if you want complete privacy, then you choose just for you. And after you choose only me, after that all of your postings that you do on Facebook can only be seen by you. And you select only you. And you activate this mode. After which in just a few seconds absolutely all of your Facebook postings will be available only to you. I hope this video helped you and you saw how you can make all your Facebook posts private. Please subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes, write your comments, and see you later, friends.